Welcome to the CCPS Summer PD 2020. This will be an overview of the Project-Based Learning, PBL, Structures in Canvas session. I am Dr. Ware Waller, Instructional Designer at Meadowbrook High School. Topics included in this overview are: what is PBL? Project-based learning has to have integrated into it the 6 C's. What's the difference between a regular project and PBL? Then we're going to look at how to use Canvas to deliver PBL structures. And then finally, we're going to look at the gold standard for high quality project-based learning. So there's 2 definitions here, the generic main definition, and it basically states that project-based learning is a teaching method, and students learn by engaging, and the instruction is real world and personally meaningful to students. So that's what increases the engagement of students, is that they see that the project is relevant to them. The secondary definition is that it's a teaching method where students gain knowledge and skills by working for an extended amount of time, and they investigate and respond to an authentic, engaging, and complex question, problem, or challenge. Project-based learning involves student critical thinking, collaboration, creativity, and communication skills. So those are 4 of the 6 right there. Project-based learning unleashes a contagious and creative energy among students and teachers. High engagement in solving a real-world problem or a complex question, answering a complex question. They demonstrate knowledge and skills by creating a public product. So at the end of the project, they will have something that they can present to the public. So again, PBL requires critical thinking, problem solving, collaboration, and various forms of communication. It also involves a driving question that has to be answered, and it involves high quality work. It also involves collaboration and teamwork. In a regular project, that project is short, and it's usually delivered after a teacher covers the content. So the project should be planned and designed using the PBL gold standard method, and we will be looking at that in a second. Activities should be aligned with the features in Canvas, and then we're going to see an example PBL project in Canvas and how that's laid out. So some of the features that are necessary in Canvas to perform project-based learning, and those are a few, and Canvas offers all of these features. So it makes it a great platform to deliver PBL projects. So now we're going to go to the course that I designed for this particular session, so that we can look at a sample PBL project. So I'm going to go to the modules, and you can see here that the example PBL project is laid out here, where you have a number of assignments and activities that's laid out throughout a fixed time period. So we'll start with the project overview. And you can see here is the project overview, where you're going to have 3 schools that are going to be involved in this project, and all the students in each of these schools are going to be going through this project. And as they go through the project, they're going to be looking at the driving question, which is: how do we recognize, understand, and reduce bias? So one of the things that you need to understand about PBL is that, normally when you look at project-based learning is tied to either the mathematics or the science curriculum areas, but you can do PBL in other areas as long as you can design a project, and it's a long-term project, and you can build in the 6 C's and incorporate the high-quality PBL model. You can do PBL in any content area. So that's the driving question here. How do we recognize, understand, and reduce bias? You see the deliverables, and this is a 5-week project. And for the majority of the project, they're going to be using a tool called Flipgrid. And you see down here, it says for each Flipgrid response, you're going to listen to understand, focus on the learning, be open-minded, expand your thinking, critique ideas, not people. Be aware of background noise and make sure we can see your face, because they will be recording, making a recording, a video recording of their responses. So that completes this overview of PBL, and I hope that you will engage yourself and participate in the PBL session that I will be doing, and I look forward to seeing you.